So Lunar Outpost came from the idea that we want to create an outpost on the moon. The Center for Space Resources had a lot of insight onto, how to actually accomplish this.
Mines is at the center of this new approach towards space, at the Center for Space Resources. Why? It was a pioneer on looking at space resources more than 20 years ago, and so it's very uniquely positioned to be involved in this new era of exploration.
We saw mines as a massive potential talent pipeline right in our backyard.
We brought on a team of basically the best engineering students that we could find in the area, and we gave them a very tight timeline and a very ambitious goal of going from a blank sheet of paper to a functioning rover prototype in 3 months.
So what we try to do is bring the Colorado School of Mines students into the company, give them that experience, teach them how to do what they need to do in our company, and so far the results have been fantastic.
We will have to develop all the technologies, and that involves every engineering aspect that this school is looking at, from mechanical and electrical and mining and petroleum. All of those disciplines are necessary to look at resources not just on Earth but in space.
Having that collaboration between these different departments of mines is one of the things that's helped us as a company rapidly develop these technologies. So if you look at something like the resource prospector, of course we could have a mechanical engineer lay out one of our power boards, but at the end of the day, the electrical engineer is probably going to do a better job in that specific aspect. The space resources degree can help us find out where these resources are and what we need to do once we found them.
What can be more interesting, more inspiring, more exciting, more appropriate for a forward-looking university such as mines after 140 years of accumulating all this knowledge than to be involved in the next frontier, space?